Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today let's do an unboxing on this ANKER Solix C200 DC portable station. Let's open it up. Let's see exactly. We get the manual. What's inside here? A cable. So that's our USB-C to USB-C cable. Now this part here. Here is the actual unit. It's got like a little handle. Let's grab it. And that's all that comes inside the box. Okay, well, there's some plastic on the screen. Let's take that off. Now we are going to have to charge this up a little bit, but these are like vents. There's a nice handle. So you have to, there's the power button. Hold the power button for 3 seconds. There. It comes with, wow, 89% charge. All right. That's flashing. We got 2 USB-A ports. That's your solar panel connection, and then 3 USB-C ports. That's what I got it for. So USB-C, one is capable of 15 watts out, 2 100 watts, 3 140 watts in and out. Wow. And the top one is only out. So the 2 bottom ones are, you can charge it with it, or they can output that. The solar panel, 11 to 28 volts in. Okay, so the screen's going to turn off after 30 seconds of use, even though there is like a little light in there. So just tap that, and that turns the screen back on. Now, if you don't have a load or anything plugged into it for 2 hours, then the whole unit will turn off automatically. But you can change that. This connects to the ANKER app. And in there, you can change how long the screen stays on and how long the unit stays on. Now, here's a close-up of the screen. So it looks like this is either a hot or cold symbol. Overload. Number 4 is high temperature alert. Okay, yeah, this one's a low temperature alert. 5 is USB-C input. 6 is USB-A output. 7, which is the big display, that's remaining power. 9 is current output. That's 9. That's current in, current out. There, if you want to see there, so nice. Recharge in hours remaining. Now they call this the IoT button right here. So it says if you press the IoT button for 2 seconds to turn off Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So let's press and hold it for 2 seconds. All right, so see how that symbol's not flashing. Press and tap for 7 seconds to restart it. So hold that in for 7 seconds, and that's going to reactivate the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth all at once. Okay, there it's flashing, see? Now it does show that you can reset it using a paper clip if it's not working correctly. Now here are the exact specs on all the outlets. There's a lot of numbers there. And then there's the distribution table. Okay, so about 7 1/4 inches by about 4. Front to back is about 4 1/4. You know, the strap is up about 3 1/2. I think you can take this strap off. Yeah. Lift. Oh no, that's a ring. That's like a D ring or something. Yeah. I'm not sure. There's a ring on each side that you can hook something else onto, like strap it down or something. Nice big rubber feet on the bottom. Now here I have another, this is my USB-C cable that I'm going to charge it with. So I'm going to plug it into the bottom one. It's going to be charging it. And there, it gives me, it says it's in 0.9 hours. It's charging at 23 watts. And then this cable, it does come with this cable. Let's measure how long this is. Yeah, 25 inches. Looks like a pretty stout USB-C cable. Okay, it's got some wording on it. Let's see, 140 watts max on this cable. Again, USB-C to USB-C. I could use this to charge it or to power out something. But that's all it comes with. And there again, what the display shows that it's charging. Pretty nice. I'm excited to start using this. I hope this unboxing and review helped. Thanks everybody for watching.